Good morning, first grade. It's Mrs. Diver coming to you from her living room this morning with your daily math lesson. Now today we are going to be reviewing using quick tens and ones to add. So first, we need to stop and we need to think. What is a quick 10? Now, when we are using quick tens, we could draw them quickly. That's why we draw say a quick 10. So I'm gonna go over here, and this is what a quick 10 should look like. Just a straight line, right? So I'm gonna write quick 10 here. Because that was our first thing we spoke about. Then it says, and ones, right? So when we need to draw ones, we draw a little square for the number of ones that are in our number. So I'm gonna write ones here. Now, I'm gonna write an addition sentence, okay? I want you to read it with me. I have 16 plus 13 equals blank. Now, we need to stop and we need to think what number is in our tens and what number is in our ones, right? So let's look at 16. Now remember, our tens is first and then our ones. So if I look at my tens place, how many quick tens am I going to draw? Just one, right? But then how many ones am I going to draw? I'm going to draw 6 little boxes for our ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And remember, we always draw them in groups of 5, right? Because then it's easier to count by 5s. So let's stop. Before I move on, I want to double check to make sure I drew 16. So remember, you start out with 10, and then count on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Did I do it right? I did. But now I need to draw, what number is this, boys and girls? 13. So let's look at our tens place. What number do you see? A 1. So how many quick tens do I have to draw? 1. Then, how many ones do I have to draw? Let's look at that ones place. 3, and if you're in my class, you know that's my favorite number. So I'm gonna draw 3 boxes for my ones place. But now I have to count them all together, don't I? So we always start counting our tens first. So we need to stop, we need to think. When we're counting by tens, we go 10, 20, 30, right? So let's count by our tens. 10, 20, 21, 22, because I just switched counting to ones, right? So let's go back and try it again. 10, 20, switch to the ones. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. What did I get to? 29. So I know that 16 plus 13 is 29. Right? Did we do it right, boys and girls? We did, so kiss those brains of yours. Do you want to try another one with me? This is a review. This is just one of the strategies we've learned this year, haven't we? Okay, here's our next one. We're gonna go 14 plus, you ready? 11 equals blank. So we start with the first number. We have 14. So we have to look at that tens place. How many quick tens am I going to draw? 1, you're right. How many ones am I going to draw? 4. Very good, boys and girls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So remember, we stop and we always count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2 thumbs up because you did it right. Now I need to draw 11. What's the first number in our tens? 1. So I draw 1 quick 10. And then how many ones? Just 1. Okay. Now, do I count my tens first or do I count my ones first? If you said tens, you're right. So ready? Skip counting by tens. Remember, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? Here we go. 10, 20. Switch to the ones. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Did you guys count 25? You did. We did it right. Good job. Now, on your math paper, if you can print it, it's okay, right? I want you to take a piece of paper and I want you to write some of those problems out to show your teachers how smart you are. Now, we're gonna do one more together and then it's up to you to show us how big your brains have grown. Okay, are you ready for a hard one? I think we can do it. Ready? 22 plus 20 equals blank. Big numbers. So let's look at our tens place. What number do you see? 2. So how many quick tens am I going to draw? 2. 1, 2. And I want to make sure you try to keep it neat because you don't want to get them too close together because then you might get confused. Now let's move to our ones. 2. Very good. 1, 2. Okay. Remember, what do? We go back and count to make sure we drew the right number. So we skip count by tens. 10, 20, 21, 22. Okay, now I move on to my second number. What number is that? 20. So let's look at our tens. What number is there? 2. So how many quick tens am I going to draw? 2. Ready? 1, 2. Look at my ones place. There's no ones there. 0, right? Do I have to draw any? Nada. Zip. So we have to go back and we need to count what, boys and girls? Our tens first. So are you ready with me? 10, 20, 30, 40. Then we switch to ones. 41, 42. How do I write 42? 4, 2. Good job, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed the lesson today. Practice the strategy, and I know you'll grow those brains even bigger and bigger. Hope you get to go outside and play today. Bye, guys.